explain that there's a difference between the function book and the police law. The function book is done. Excuse me. The function book is done, and indeed that speaks about the specific positions, right? Legal position is the rechtspositie, along with the bezoldiging, which is the new salary scale structure for police that is currently together at the Council of Advice as we speak, being reviewed. And so when we talk about new salary scales, it does mean that some adjustments in those salary figures are now available. Okay, so we just have to allow this process to complete so that the realization of that can be at the forefront.
And is there funds to pay these police retroactively when this is enacted?
That's a very good question. And we have indicated several times that we know our financial situation. As such, we have to go into an installment arrangement with the officers. Hence the reason, let's say, for example, with the verdict that we just had, excuse me, yes, the LBAs were given, the salaries are adjusted to, as per now, going forward, be as it should, but there is a retroactive payment that needs to take place. But we have to prioritize those payments because keep in mind that there is a 50% that is pending from what was paid in January 2020, right? There's a collective number of officers that are to receive that 50%, and those who receive the positive verdict are a part of that. So there is an amount that's coming to them as well in the lump sum that is reserved on the 2022 budget. So what we are doing is working to be able to have the necessary calculations done, disburse those funds, and understand that even with that disbursement, because now deductions are going to be applied, there's going to be an amount that is going to be left over. Those amounts are going to be used to see who and how we can pay the differences, let's say, with the verdicts. So in addition to what you're getting from the 50%, your verdict says you're supposed to get X amount. From those monies that are now residual, we would be able to pay out a portion to that. But the government of St. Martin has to enter into payment agreements with the officers that are entitled to back pay. In addition to that, the officers, I think, would be able to appreciate that approach than a lump sum payment if we had it, because then you would get taxed heavy